A fraction whose numerator or denominator, or both numerator and denominator, contain fractions is called a complex fraction. To simplify these, we find the LCD of all interior fractions. Then multiply the numerator and denominator by the LCD, and then simplify. In example A, we have a complex fraction. Notice we have smaller fractions inside of a big fraction. So we want to find the LCD of the interior fractions, that is the smaller fractions. So looking at 2 and 6, 4 and 3, their LCD is 12. So we're going to multiply the numerator by 12 and the denominator by 12. Notice that really what we're multiplying by is 1. 12 divided by 12 is 1, just a funny looking 1. So we're not changing the value of this original expression. We're just going to change what it looks like. So now when we go through and multiply, we have 1/2 times 12. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6. Then we have plus. We'll do the same thing in the second fraction, multiplying 1/6 times 12. 6 goes into 12 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2. And in the denominator down here, looking at 3/4, 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And then with the 2/3, 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we're looking at this division problem. Still have a fraction. Looking at the numerator, 6 plus 2 is 8. And in the denominator, we have 9 minus 8, which is 1. And finally, 8 divided by 1 is 8. In part B, we have, again, a complex fraction. So we want to look at the LCD of the smaller or interior fractions. We have 4 and 5. The LCD of 4 and 5 is 20. So we want to multiply the top numerator by 20 and then the bottom denominator by 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. So we have a 15 in the numerator divided by, let's look at 3/5. 5 goes into 20 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we need to do the same thing with the -1. -1 times 20 is -20. Simplifying here, we can do 12 minus 20. 12 minus 20 is -8. So we have -15 over 8. This is an improper fraction. We're going to leave this as an improper fraction unless we are specifically told in the directions to convert to a mixed number.